Hi everybody, I'm Shanna, your photo book master. Now, if you love the idea of creating photo books and you are just not sure how to get started or what to create a book about, then I'm here to help you with that today. I'm going to give you an entire list of theme ideas to get you motivated. So let's get started. First of all, start small. Starting with a small project is the best way to test it out. Figure out your process, figure out the site you like without feeling overwhelmed. It will allow you to create a book quickly, you'll receive it back in the mail, you'll be even more motivated, and it's so rewarding to see a project from start to finish. There are hundreds of photo book theme ideas. You can create a book about anything. It can be something super tiny, like this, all the way up to the beautiful 12 by 12 hardcover, lay flat, fancy book, and everything in between. So what are all these great theme ideas? Trips and holidays, a year in the life of your family, capturing a birthday party, celebrating a special birthday, school books, all the artwork, class photos, report cards, everything in a book. Scan your old scrapbooks and turn them into photo books that can be enjoyed again. A book of poems or letters, Christmas holidays and celebrations. Building project, a special one-day event, family history, family favorites recipe book, a weekend getaway, remembering the life of someone special, a special pet, a special relationship, an anniversary, a month in the life of your family, day-to-day memories. These are a few samples, but there are endless possibilities when it comes to photo books. Start small, find a theme that really excites you, complete the book, and you'll feel motivated to move further into other projects. If you enjoyed this little list of theme ideas, then give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow along. I will be back with more tips and tutorials.